Now, from the following, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2005, and the balance sheet is as follows. 14th one is a homework. For that, I'm giving explanation first. He gave cash in hand, cash at bank, which will come in opening balance sheet. Subscriptions includes of 2005 and 6, so it will be, our year is 2004 and a 5, but here 2005 6 means future year, so we'll just minus it. Then interest on investments, he gave cost, means this value you are going to show in a opening balance sheet. 30,000 investment అని opening balance sheet లో చూపించడానికి వాడు అలా ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు అనమాట మనకి. Bank interest, it will take income. Sale of a scooter, you are going to take it in asset side, you will minus from the respective asset. Then on the other side, he gave salaries, rent, printing and stationery, postage, even the expenditures. Then bicycle, percentage of bicycle, as there was no adjustment related, so we'll take in asset. Plain bonds, planned bonds also we are going to take as assets. Cash in hand, cash at bank also will take in assets. Then subscriptions include 120 of 2003-4 అంటే ఇది previous year. Also rent includes 50 for the 2004 అంటే ఈ రెండు కూడా previous year opening balance sheet లో ఒకసారి వస్తాయి and respective account లో నుంచి మైనస్ అవుతాయి. Subscription amounting 150 is still to be collected for 2004 and 5 అంటే ఇది current year మనకి. So this is actual outstanding. ఒకటి మనం యాడ్ చేస్తాం subscription కి and then we'll take on a asset side. And rent outstanding is 50. So 50 first minus అవుతుంది and 50 మళ్ళీ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. సో rent కి పెద్దగా అమౌంట్ చేంజ్ ఏం కాదు. And 25 rupees outstanding against stationery bill. The book value of a scooter is 320. So ఈ 320 first opening balance sheet లో తీసుకుంటారు. Then you are going to minus the sale of scooter value ఉంది కదా, closing balance sheet లో 320 minus 250 మీరు చేస్తారు. So this is your homework. Now turn down to the 15th one. 15th one is also simple, but he gave in a slight change manner. The presentation of question is different. So here the following is the receipts and payment statements of Madras Sports Club for the year ended 31st December 2005. He gave opening cash balance, then entrance fee, subscriptions. Within bracket he gave A, means there is something related to that adjustment. Proceeds of concerts is an income. Interest on investments, there is an adjustment. Next, on the payment, secretary salary, upkeep, ground, wages of groundmen, these two have adjustments. Ground rent, printing stationery, sundry repairs, and balance carried out. Except a balance carried out, rest all are expenditures. Now adjustments, if I see, first I said no, for subscription A is there, interest on investment B is there, upkeep ground C is there, and the groundman is D. So related to that, 4 adjustments he gave of previous year. So he said subscription includes previous year amount 500 it seems. All the previous year will simply minus now outstandings. The same we'll do here. This item includes 100 in respect of interest accrued in previous year. Then this item includes 300 applicable to the previous year. So regarding subscription, there is a old balance 500, and regarding investments, so regarding investments, there is a old balance 100, and regarding upkeep ground means outstanding liability old is there, outstanding wages there is a old opening. Then he gave other ledger balance at a commencement. At a commencement means opening of the financial period where capital fund. So he only gave us a capital fund 4100. Income and expenditure account credit means credit balance means profit ani ardham. Bought forward 8,900. Club premises, idi asset 30. Investment 10. Sports material asset. Furniture is asset. From the above particulars, prepare balance sheet at a commencement of the period. అంటే ఏంటి, ఓపెనింగ్ మనకి ఇచ్చాడు, క్యాపిటల్ ఫండ్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా వాడు మనకి ఏమన్నాడంటే అయినా కూడా ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. సరే చేద్దాం. Income and expenditure account and balance sheet of the closing period. Then he gave entrance fees to be capitalized. సో ఇన్కమ్ లాగా తీసుకోకూడదు, క్యాపిటల్ ఫండ్ లాగా తీసుకోండి అన్నాడు. ఓకే ఫైన్. అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ లయబిలిటీస్ ఆన్ December 31st వేర్ వేజెస్, ప్రింటింగ్, ఈ రెండు అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ లయబిలిటీస్. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అక్రూడ్ వచ్చేసి 120, అది ఇన్కమ్. అండ్ డెప్రిసియేషన్ ఆన్ ప్రెమిసెస్, ఫర్నిచర్, స్పోర్ట్స్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్, ఈ మూడింటి మీద తీసుకోమన్నాడు. సో వీ విల్ టేక్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ నౌ. So first, as he said to prepare the opening balance sheet, so I'm going to prepare the opening balance sheet only. So here balance sheet as on 31st 12/2004, because we are in 2005, no? Sorry, it's 12. Then here I'm going to take liabilities amount, assets amount. Then what did I say? Everything he only gave. Everything he gave. Just we are going to copy it and we are going to take it. So what all he gave? First capital. అంటే బహుశా చేయమని అన్నాడు, ఏమీ లేదు అందులో, మనకి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేది ఏమీ లేదు. బట్ యాజ్ యాజ్ సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఈస్ capital fund 40,100. To this one as usual we will add what? Surplus. So surplus kuda vaade ichadu, which is 8,900. So outcome vachesi manaki 49,000 వస్తుంది. Then మనకి B and C and D are liabilities కదా. So outstanding upkeep ground వచ్చేసి 300. Then outstanding wages of ground men వచ్చేసి 150. Then on this side first he gave club premises, so which is 30,000 he gave. ఇవన్నీ మనం వాడు ఇచ్చాడు చేయమని అన్నాడు చేస్తున్నాం, లేకపోతే యాక్చువల్గా మనకి ఓపెనింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మనకి అవసరం లేదు చెయ్యడం. సో కాబట్టి వాడు అడిగాడు కాబట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఓపెనింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మనకి అవసరమే లేదు. సో స్పోర్ట్స్ మెటీరియల్ వచ్చేసి 2450. Then furniture 4,000. Then వచ్చేసి మరి A and B are income related outstandings కదా, అవి ఇక్కడ రావాలి కదా. సో outstanding subscriptions of last year వచ్చేసి 500. and outstanding interest on investments వచ్చేసి 100. and then మనకి receipts and payments నుంచి cash in hand వస్తుంది కదా. so how much is that? it is 2,400. so when I total it, it is going to be, if you want please check it up, it will be 49,450.
Yes, ma'am.
So after this one, we'll prepare what? Income and expenditure account we are going to prepare. So that is what here I'm preparing now. So once we have got opening, then we'll prepare income and expenditure, and then we are going to close with a balance sheet. So that's what here we are going to do it. So here income and expenditure account as on 31st December 2005. expenditure amount, income amount. And I always take what? First, I always start with the subscription only. So that's what here I'm taking with subscription. So here first, buy subscriptions. Now we have adjustment. So in that one, he gave 8,700 to this one. To this one, we will minus first last year. So outstanding of 2004, he gave is 500. And when I check the current year, there is no current year subscription to add. So that's why I left it. Then I have buy without any adjustment, buy proceeds from concert, which is 1500. Then buy interest on investments, which is 500. And here he gave last year's and current year's. So last year, first I'm minusing outstanding of 2004, which is 100. Outstanding of 2005, which is 120. So therefore 520 is the amount. So that's it. Entrance fee is the one item is left over, but entrance fee, what that fellow said, he said it has to be capitalized. Capitalized means it will be taken in the liability side. So that's what here. Now on the layer payment side, I'm going to start with to secretary salary. It is 3,600. Then to upkeep ground. We have adjustments, so I'm going to take here. And last year he gave, so that's why outstanding of 2004, which is 300. So therefore it will be 1800. Then to wages. Wages we have two adjustments, old and this one. Wages of ground men. So he gave some 2,400. Of this, first we'll minus last year's, that is outstanding of 2004 is 150 and plus outstanding of current year 2005 is 200. So ala తీసుకుంటే you are going to get this much. Then two, we don't have any adjustment for this one, so I'm taking as it is ground rent of 150. Then to printing we have again adjustment. So current year outstanding we have it in outstanding of 2005, which is 100. He gave 300. Then to sundry repairs, there is no such adjustment, so directly I'm taking sundry repairs of value 175. Then all my whatever the textbook items are there, I've completed. Now I'll come with the adjustments. So here I have taken outstanding wages is done, outstanding printing is done, outstanding income interest on investments is also done. Now leftover part is three things: depreciation on premises, depreciation on furniture, and depreciation on sports equipment. So that three things I'm going to take. So first, depreciation on premises. How much percentage is? 2%. So please see the opening balance sheet. Premises value is 30. So 30 on 2% means 3 twos are 6. It will be 3 twos are 6%. You are going to get it. And then we have one more. To depreciation on furniture at the rate of 5% is it. So furniture value is 4,000. 4,000 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So it will be 200. And the last one is to depreciation on sports equipment, which is how much is it? 816.667. So how I got this one? Or else I'll take 6 7. How I got this one? I'll tell you. So this one he said on 2,450 into 33 1 by 3 percentage. So these can be taken as or 2,450 into 33.3333 percentage. So that's how I got it. If you want, please check it up. So therefore, your surplus will be $128.33. You're going to get it. Total will be 10,220. 10,220. Okay, now take down screenshots. Today it's very less strength na joined. Is it done with screenshots?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the last bit of it, that is balance sheet. So here I'm going to take. Now in this balance sheet, whatever where we missed out adjustments, we'll try to go for taking here. So liabilities, amount, assets, amount. He gave balance sheet as on year end 31st December 2005. Now first, as usual, I'll take a capital only. So here I'm taking with capital. So here capital he only gave, which is 40,100. 100. To this one, we will add what? Surplus of the current year. So surplus of current year, which is 128.33. So it will be, total will be how much, means 40,228.33. This is 40,000, no? 40,223. This is the amount. That's it. Then here, one more thing what we have is surplus of last year. So that also we have to take when he has given. Surplus ఎప్పుడు ఆపేస్తామంటే మనం ఏమైనా దానికి యూస్ చేసినందుకు. But here we didn't use for anything. So that's why I'm going to take here. So surplus of last year, we didn't use it. So it will be continued in our current year as 8,900. కాకపోతే దీన్ని మనం యాడ్ చేయం. Separate చూపిస్తాం. Then entrance fee, which we missed out there. We didn't take there, no? So that I'm going to take. He said capitalize. So that I am. And two things we had outstanding. So one is outstanding wages of groundmen, which is 200. And then outstanding printing, which is 100. That's it on the liability side. Now come down to the asset. So last year ఎలా అయితే తీసుకున్నామో అలాగే మనం present చేస్తాం. So first we had club premises, which is given 30,000. So minus depreciation 600 we minus. So అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 29,400 వస్తుంది. Then we have what? Investments. Investments we had at 10,000. మరి current year outstanding మనం యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా. So that's what outstanding, which is 120. So therefore it will be 10,120. This is done. Then after that, sports material. So how much? 2,450 ki మనము మైనస్ డెప్రిసియేషన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చిందన్నా నేను 816.67. సో తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఎంత వస్తుందంటే 16,3.33. Then you are going to have furniture. So furniture 4,000 minus depreciation, which is 200. It will be 1,800. And then we have cash, which is we got from the receipts and the payments. So 4,975. This is it. సో టోటల్ చూస్తే 49,928.33 వస్తుంది. 49,928.33. ఆల్రెడీ నేను మిగతా క్లాస్లో చేశాను నాన్న, జస్ట్ యా that's it.